Hey everyone, I'd like to show you these water blocks I got from AliExpress. So that's the aluminium one, about $3. This one made of copper for about $10. I tested them with this video card. It's a 270X, Radeon 270X. And I don't even have the original cooling for this one, so I just put this aluminium kind of stuff. I took it from another video card just to cool the VRMs and the memory, and so I could test this video card with putting the water block just on the chip right over here. So what we've got here is the video card. It's up, it's running, the hoses are on, and talking about air cooling, the only fan running in the vicinity of this video card is over there, that tiny little fan just blowing around, making a pretty weak air movement, and of course the CPU fan. Other than that, it's just the water cooling. So these hoses, they are going right over here to this water pump. It's a 15-watt aquarium pump for fishes, right? And you can even get a smaller pump, I think, because right here we're using a smaller, it's an adapter for a smaller hose, because these hoses, they are smaller than the usual hoses that this pump will get. So maybe you can get something like a 9-watt pump, maybe even 6-watt. I think you'll get pretty much the same results. Temperature, we've got like 31, 32, something like, 31.5, right? And let's run a little bitty GPU stress test over here. 4-mark GPU stress test. I like this one. Does pretty good stressing on a GPU, I think. And we got some anti-aliasing. Okay, let's go. Let's see the temperature. It goes right up to, let's see, it should equalize for something like to reach some kind of equilibrium for like 10 seconds, maybe up to 15 seconds, and then stay there as long as the water temperature stays the same. Well, the water temperature is not going to stay the same because I'm not cooling it, but I'm just doing this just short term just to do this test. So let's see, 50. I think it's gonna stay at 50 for now. And over here at GPU Z, it's 50, right. And we're back again with the aluminium water block. Let's see, the system is running. The pipes pose this, and the thermometer showing something like, let's do it like this, 32, anyone? Let's make it 32. And now we're gonna run a stress test again. 4-mark stress testing. Let's see, 45, 46. Well, that's kind of surprising. I mean, that's the cheaper water block made of aluminium, and it's doing just perfectly. 46, 47. Make it 47. Alright, so what we've got here, this one seems to give us about 15 degrees between, that's the difference between water and chip, and this one gives us about 18 degrees between water temperature and chip temperature. That is to say, the aluminium water block performs, maybe surprisingly, somewhat better than this copper one. However, if you look at that, the aluminium one is a bit thicker, so if you have a very confined space around your video card, maybe you'll wanna choose this one, the copper one, because it's thinner. It gives you a lower profile. Otherwise, just pay $3 for this one, and you get just a very fine water block for your money.